Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. In my previous video, we discussed about the basic parts of testing. In today's video, we'll understand what is SDLC. What is SDLC? SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. Software Development Lifecycle is a step-by-step process or a standard way that we have to follow to develop and design a high-quality software. Why do we need to follow SDLC? There are several reasons that we had to follow SDLC. I'll tell you what happens if we do not follow SDLC. Firstly, we will not understand the complete requirement document. Second reason is we will not get to know what are all involved in the project, such as investments, profit or loss whatsoever. And thirdly, there won't be any proper communication or workflow between the teams. So, SDLC is an important part of testing. Coming to the phases of SDLC, there are 6 phases of SDLC. The first phase is requirement gathering. In this phase, once we receive a document, a requirement from the client, business analyst is the one who collects the document from the client. So, friends, we have to understand that a team includes many members such as developers, testers, business analyst, project manager, and then network team, scrum master, financial team, architects. So these are all the people included in a team. So in the first phase of requirement gathering, business analyst will collect the requirement from the client. The requirement may be in the form of a document or a video or oral communication, and then business analyst will convert the document into a understandable language, and he or she will provide it to the team. There are types of requirement documents. We will discuss about that in my upcoming videos. And the second phase is feasibility study. In this phase, the entire team will analyze and understand the requirement document. Project manager is the one who will decide whether to undertake the project or not. If the project is undertaken, the financial team will come into picture. They will give ideas about the investments and discussion about the profit or loss. And then architects will express their opinions in technical terms, like what kind of technologies can be used and what tools can be used. And there will be a discussion about resources like number of team members. So these are all the things they will discuss in the feasibility study. And next phase is designing phase is done by the architects. There are two types of designing, high level and low level. The high level designing is overview functionalities of an application. For example, let us take YouTube application. In YouTube, uh, the main functionalities are watching and uploading videos. So these are the main functions. Whereas in low level designing, it includes the in-depth functionalities. For example, while uploading a video, you may see many options like the video may be private or public, or the comments can be disabled or enabled, whether the video is appropriate for kids. Likewise, you can see many options. So these kind of functionalities come under low level designing. And coming to next phase is coding. This is a phase where the developers will develop the application using any programming language, and they will run a test called unit testing. We will discuss about unit testing in my upcoming videos. Next phase is testing. This is the phase where testers will come into picture. Once the application is developed, testers will test the application as per the flow of SDLC. We'll discuss about software testing lifecycle in my upcoming videos. And the next phase is deployment. Once the application passes the testing phase, now it is ready to be deployed to the live environment. Live environment in the sense it reaches the end user. Usually this Deployment is done in non-peak hours. And the final phase is maintenance and operation. And operation is usually done once the application reaches the end user. If the user finds any failure or defect, we have to provide maintenance for a given period of time. The maintenance of the software can include software updates, repairs, or fixes. So friends, I hope you have understood about software development lifecycle. In my upcoming videos, we'll understand about software testing lifecycle. Thank you friends.